Securely converting TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin. Step-by-step guide. Cryptocurrencies offer freedom and flexibility, but many users face practical challenges. Today, we'll guide you on how to safely convert your TRC20 USDT from an OKX wallet into Bitcoin. Stay tuned to learn the necessary steps, avoid mistakes, and ensure a secure process. 1. What is TRC20 USDT and why is network selection important? TRC20 USDT explained. TRC20 is a technical standard for USDT on the Taron blockchain. It enables fast and cost-efficient transactions. Why network selection matters? Choosing the wrong network, e.g. ERC20 or BEP20, can result in the loss of your coins. Always ensure TRC20 is selected on both your wallet and Binance. 2. Preparation. What you need. 1. Access to your OKX wallet. Ensure you have access to your wallet and that your recovery phrase is securely stored. 2. A Binance account. If you don't have one, register and complete the verification process. 3. A Bitcoin deposit address. You'll need this to store the converted Bitcoins. Step-by-step guide to converting. Step 1. Transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. 1. Log in to Binance. Visit the Binance website or app and log in. If you don't have an account, create one and complete the verification process. 2. Find your Binance deposit address for USDT. Navigate to wallet. Deposit and select USDT as the cryptocurrency. Choose the TRC20 network and copy the displayed address. 3. Open your OKX wallet. Go to the send or transfer section. Enter the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. 4. Double check the details. Ensure the TRC20 network is selected and the address is correct. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. 5. Confirm the transaction. Initiate the transfer and wait for confirmation. The transaction should be completed within minutes. 6. Check the transaction status. Use the Tron Blockchain Explorer, https tronscan.org, to track the transaction. Step 2. Convert USDT to Bitcoin 1. Log into your Binance account. Navigate to the trade section. 2. Select the right trading pair. Choose the pair USDT BTC to convert your USDT into Bitcoin. Enter the desired amount. You can place a market order at the current market price or a limit order at your desired price. 4. Confirm the conversion. Once the trade is completed, the Bitcoins will be stored in your Binance wallet. 4. Security measures and risks. 1. Secure storage of your recovery phrase. Never share your recovery phrase publicly or with strangers. Store it offline in a secure location, such as a password vault. 2. Network selection. Always choose TRC20 on both OKX and Binance to avoid mistakes. 3rd, test transactions. For added security, perform a small test transfer before sending larger amounts. 4. Beware of hackers and phishing. Be cautious of emails or messages claiming to be from OKX or Binance to avoid scams. 5. Conclusion. Converting TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Always keep your wallet data secure, double-check networks, and take precautions to avoid errors. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Drop your questions in the comments. We're happy to help.